In this video, I'll show you how you can add a PDF to Google Slides, so when you click on it, it will open the PDF in a new window, and once you're done, you can go back to your slideshow and you can continue presenting it. So here we are in Google Slides. What you need to do is open up a new tab and then go to Google Drive. So type in Drive and go to Google Drive, or you can go to the Google Apps in the top right hand corner and then click on Drive. Once you're on Drive, make sure you're on the same account that you're on Google Slides, then go to New in the top left hand corner, then click File Upload. Here you can then find your PDF. Click on it and upload it. Once it's uploaded, you'll be able to find it by going to Recent on the left. You can then right click on your PDF, and what I would do first actually is just open it. Now what you can do is you can essentially take a screenshot of this PDF so we can get a preview of it. So I'm going to hold down Control on my keyboard and then the minus icon, which is going to make it so we can see the full PDF. We can now go to search and just type in snipping tool, and what I can do is I can just get a preview here and take a screenshot of this PDF. Now we've got the screenshot, we can go back to Google Slides, we can then find a location for it, we can right click and then click paste. So now we can resize this and we've got kind of like a preview for a PDF. So now we've got it previewed, we can now zoom back into normal. You can then right click on the PDF in Google Drive, then go to share and then click share again. Then change general access to anyone with the link and then click on copy link. Once you've done that, go back to Google Slides, then click on your image, then go to this link icon up here, insert link, and then right click and paste in your link and then click apply. Now you can see this will link to the PDF, and then when you present it, if you click on it, it will open up your PDF in a new tab with no issues. This is the best way that you can do this. Thank you for watching.